If you want quick access to the time without opening any apps, adding a clock widget is the perfect solution. Samsung Galaxy phones include several built-in clock widgets that can display the time, date, alarms, or even multiple time zones. You can also resize and customize the widget to match your home screen layout. First off, all unlocking your Samsung Galaxy phone and going to the home screen where you'd like the clock to appear. Tap and hold any empty space on the screen until the editing menu opens. You can also pinch inward with two fingers to access the same options. At the bottom of the display, tap Widgets to open the widget library. In the Widgets menu, scroll until you find Clock or use the search bar if it's available. Tap the clock category to see all the available designs. Depending on your phone and One UI version, you'll find options like a digital clock, analog clock, dual clock, and alarm widgets in different sizes. Choose the widget you like, then press and hold it. Drag it onto your home screen and release it where you want it to be placed. If there's not enough space, your phone may automatically move icons or ask you to select another location. Once the widget is added, you can personalize it. Touch and hold the clock widget until editing options appear. Drag the edges to make it larger or smaller. On supported widgets, tap Settings to change the style, transparency, color, or enable automatic light and dark mode matching. You can also reposition the widget anytime by dragging it to another page or remove it by dragging it to the Remove option at the top of the screen. That's all there is to it. Your Samsung Galaxy home screen now displays a convenient clock widget, making it easier to check the time while giving your phone a cleaner and more personalized look.